Home maintenance, treating your driveway or your pavers. Hello friends and family, and thank you for checking on my channel. I haven't uploaded videos in about 2 weeks. I just wanted to share the reason with you and maybe a different adventure. I've been working around the house and maybe getting ready to hit the road again for a new adventure. But in this video, I will show you how I power wash all the mold, grime, and dirt away from the pavers in my driveway and in my small backyard. Also, I will show you how I refill the gaps between the pavers and seal them so I don't have to do this in, I don't know, 2-3 years maybe. Now, here are the key points for the preparation. Treat the weeds before anything else. Check on the weather. You don't want rain while you're in the process. Align all your tools, have everything handy. Work in sections at a time and drink plenty of water. Stay off the sun or use sunblock. Put a shade on you. Do something about it. Don't be exposed. Working one section at a time, I start spraying the soap, any kind of brand of soap, and just spray it as evenly as possible. I let the soap sit for about 5 minutes to remove all the junk, and then I hit it with the brush. That way I remove all the tough stuff. For the gaps within the pavers and edges of the pavers, I use the spray gun directly. So we're done with the front yard finally. Now it is time for filling on those raw gaps, and I use polymeric sand. Basically, you put it on the floor and sweep, 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 and then do more sweeping. Um, the sand will fill up the gaps between the pavers, and as you softly sprinkle water in it, the sand will harden and expand to fill up those spaces. So that's basically how it works. 1/4 at a time. Keep working on this part. And you are sweeping, 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 and you're done finally, right? But now it is time to spray the sealant. The finish will vary depending on the type of floors you have. Note, my pavers are no unicolor, they are no standard, they are not dirty, the black stains are just like that. So this is the way they look. Even I was taking a picture when I bought the house, this is the way they look. And meanwhile, this is drying in my driveway. I'm working on the tiny, tiny, tiny backyard. Same deal, working in sections. And this is the final of my tiny backyard. And family, this is all I have for today. Please hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me have your comments in the respective section if you want to see more related content. Meanwhile, I'm working on more stuff. See you soon.